National Weather. In Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Lumpkin County in north-central Georgia, southern White County in northeastern Georgia, north-central Hall County in north-central Georgia, until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Cleveland, moving southwest at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dahlonega, Cleveland, Claremont, Camp Coleman Lake, Garland, Porter Springs, Turner's Corner, and Comanche Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 to be your report at NWS Atlanta. Due to the threat of severe